Hi guys, I'm Becky from Jungle Scout, and today we're going to look into our favourite apps here at Jungle Scout that our remote team can't live without. First up is HEADSPACE. Now, I was actually first told about this app months before I started working remotely as a good way to de-stress from work life. This is a fantastic app that will take away those daily stresses and calm you down. It's also a great way to start or end the day, whatever works best for you. I personally prefer using this at the end of the day so I can take 10 minutes out after finishing my work to turn off so I'm ready to relax in my evening and my own personal time. Next up, for when you're in a country whose language is different to your own, Google Translate is your new best friend. Being able to take photos of writing in other languages or translating what you want to say into text to describe where you want to go in a taxi becomes super easy, and it's safe to say I simply cannot live without this app. Uber and Grab is also another one that I just can't live without. Especially if you're going somewhere a bit out of the ordinary or hard to describe, this is where this app never fails. Depending on where you're going in the world, one is usually cheaper than the other. In Asia, for example, Grab is definitely the preferred service here. However, in places such as the USA, Uber is the one to go for. When you're working remotely from cafes and co-working spaces, then security is a big issue as you're out in public and leave your computer more often, whether that's to go and order food, coffee, or go to the bathroom. Some apps to improve security include LastPass, which is our top recommendation to secure all those passwords in one place and is available on your computer as well as your mobile. We also recommend two-factor authentication on any account that offers it. This means that in order to log in, you'll need not only your password, but an additional code that gets sent to your mobile device. This adds another layer of protection in case anyone were to ever steal your password. Working remotely often means connecting with people all around the world, and take it from a company that has employees in almost every continent. The time zones can get very confusing. That's where timebuddy is an absolute lifesaver, where you can easily match the time between different time zones and cities in order to quickly plan meetings and calls with anyone. For finance, TransferWise is excellent at getting the best market average exchange rates when changing between currencies. Also, XC Currency Converter is fantastic for quickly seeing exchange rates and converting between currencies. Many people use TripAdvisor for finding the best hotels and restaurants, but another great food app is Happy Cow, which shows you all the best vegan and vegetarian restaurants and cafes across the world. Fitness on the go can be quite hard, but there are a couple of apps that our team have used to help with this. If you love your yoga, then try out Yoga Studio. This app has a bunch of professional routines laid out, whether you want to do 15, 30 or a 60-minute session. So whether you're at an Airbnb, hotel, or maybe even an airport, you can easily get your zen on. Equally, if you're more into running, then you might want to check out Map My Run, which helps you easily plot running paths no matter where you are and then tracks them for you to record your progress. I hope this video helped any of you digital nomads out there. And as always, if you have any recommendations, then please leave them in the comments below so we can have a look and check them out for ourselves. In the meantime, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.